She was a passionate small business owner, fighting to keep her eatery afloat. But just one day after publicly exposing what she believed was a cruel injury scam, Jane Lee, the owner of Sumo Salad, passed away. Her death, now classified as unnatural by the police, has stunned the local business community and raised serious concerns about workplace injury claim abuses in Singapore. On the evening of 18th of July, Jane posted 2 heartbreaking messages on Facebook. In her first post, she shared that one of her employees had allegedly staged a workplace injury, claiming she slipped and fell on the escalator while throwing out rubbish. But Jane suspected something wasn't right. She revealed that the employee was supposed to leave early that day. It was just 2 days before her contract ended, but had deliberately stayed behind. Jane believed the fall was not an accident, but a calculated move to make a false injury claim. Jane accompanied the employee to several doctor visits and noticed that she would limp and act hurt when in front of medical staff, but moved normally otherwise. Jane said she personally saw her cooking and walking around comfortably until someone was watching. She even claimed to have video footage that contradicted the employee's story. But Jane didn't stop there. She alleged that this wasn't a one-off. She believed the employee and her husband were running a scheme targeting small businesses, especially those without full insurance coverage, and exploiting the Work Injury Compensation Act to demand payouts. According to her, they would even go as far as faking serious long-term injuries like permanent disability to get higher compensation. She suspected a legal firm might be guiding them on how to do it. Jane expressed how devastating it was to fall victim to this, calling it deeply saddening and extremely unfortunate. She apologized to her staff, praised their loyalty, and thanked them for sticking by her. She even transferred money to one of them as a gesture of appreciation. But her words turned even more emotional as she addressed her family and children in the second post. She said she was sorry for not being strong enough to fight this alone. She ended the post saying she had written a personal letter, which they would find on her laptop. Just one day later, on the 19th of July, Jane passed away. Her wake was held at St. Joseph's Church in Bukit Timah, with cremation scheduled at Mandai Crematorium. Her sudden death has been officially classified by the police as unnatural, and investigations are ongoing. In response, the Ministry of Manpower released a statement expressing their condolences to Jane's family. Confirmed they had been in contact with her before her death regarding the very same injury claim. The ministry is now working with the insurance company to verify the case. They reminded the public that abusing the work injury compensation system is a serious offense, and action will be taken against those found guilty. MOM also urged employers facing suspicious claims to reach out for help early. Jane's case has triggered many questions. If her allegations are true, how many other small businesses have quietly faced the same kind of pressure? Are some people really abusing the system, knowing how vulnerable small businesses can be without full coverage? And more importantly, what more can be done to protect business owners like Jane from this kind of emotional and financial torment? Have you or someone you know ever experienced something like this at the workplace? How should authorities act to better safeguard against such alleged abuse? If you are still here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, 2230.